Hello everyone, Celine again from It's Simple Artisan Soaps. Today I'm making the video for Hibiscus conditioner bar. Uh, so I'll go straight to the ingredients and what I'm going to do. So here in this uh, container I have 30 grams of BTMS 50. I have 13 grams of emulsifying wax. I have 5 grams of stearic acid. I have 16 grams of cetyl alcohol. I have uh, 12 grams of olive oil infused with hibiscus flowers. This is what it is. So I have that 12 grams. Then I have sal butter, 16 grams. Uh, so that's what I have in this. In this, what I have is 2 grams of panthenol D, and I have uh, 8 grams of glycerin, which is infused again with hibiscus flowers. So that's what I have in this. That's okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all of this, both these things, and put it on my double boiler and melt this down, and this I'm going to heat it up so that the panthenol D dissolves well with the glycerin. Then the other ingredients I'll be adding once the temperature goes down is optophin and vitamin E oil and my fragrance, which is hibiscus and palm. So let me melt this down and I'll get you all back for the next step. So this is all melted, the waxes and the butters melted down. The glycerine and the panthenol is also melted liquid form. Mix it up. As of now, this is at 168. We can't add our preservative or our fragrance at this temperature, so we have to wait for the temperature to come down. Once this is at 120 or less, we can add our preservative and our fragrance. Let me just measure out the fragrance. Measuring out 9 grams. Measure out my vitamin E. Doing 1 gram of vitamin E oil. And my preservative, doing this at 1%. Still too hot. So let's wait. I'll get you all back when I'm ready to add the preservative and the fragrance oil. Okay, so this is cooled down, and now you can see it's getting hard. So let's add our vitamin E, fragrance and preservative to this mix. Then you can put it into your molds. Once you have it in your molds, you leave it for some time to set, and then you can pop it in the freezer uh, for around 2 or 3 hours. And once it is completely set, you can unmold this. So I'll get you all back when I'm ready to unmold. Okay, so we're back to unmold. So that's one. There you go. I love the color though, it's nice baby pink. And to use this, all you need to do is wash your hair, um, and into wet hair, just run this on the strands of your hair, massage it into the strands, and for around 3 to 5 minutes, and then you can wash it off with lukewarm water. Don't use hot water, it's lukewarm is better. And if you want to leave it on, you can leave it on if you have really frizzy hair. So that's about it for this video. Do hit the subscribe button if you've not yet subscribed. Hit the like button if you like the video, and if you think it's going to be helpful for anyone, please do share. And see you in the next one. Bye.